Customizing Tumblr blog, how do you do it? Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple. This video is going to be about how you can customize your Tumblr blog. It takes a little bit of attention to follow through, so I hope you're ready. First, navigating to the place where we can start customizing. From the Tumblr dashboard, to the left sidebar, there is Account and the blog of ours selected. To the right of it, there is Blog Settings, and on the top, there is Edit Appearance. Now scrolling down, we see Custom Theme. If it is off, you can switch it on like this and click on Edit Theme. For most of us, it does suffice to play around with these tools that are given. Here, it is very simple to change them. For example, if we want to change the title, we can do so by changing it here itself. Once you click Save, it will be saved. Now, if you want granular control over this blog, you need to go to Edit HTML. Now, this is not for everyone, it takes some technical knowledge to understand and customize it by changing the HTML. For example, if you want to change this Ask Me Anything to Ask Me, you should right-click on it and inspect it to find something specific about this tag. Maybe it will say /ask and come in this source code section. Use Ctrl+F to find out, then enter the word that you want to find, /ask. Click Enter, and there it is. It blinked a little, and here, if we say in between the anchor tags which just say Ask Me and click on this Update Preview, we can see it being reflected on our page. It is still loading, so it won't. Okay, here we are. Likes Ask Me. It was Ask Me Anything before, now it is Ask Me. Here, Tumblr is using a lot of variables and blocks. If you want to find out more, you can go to this link, tumblr.com/docs/n/custom_themes. I will leave the link in the description. You can go through it and play around with this. For example, in our case, we had Ask Level before. Let's find out where it is. Here it is. It says the customizable level for the Ask link, and here it is, the Ask Level variable that was used. Alright, guys, that's how you customize Tumblr, either by just going through the handy tools given or by going to Edit HTML. Thank you, guys, for watching. Until next time, bye bye.